Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Fantasy Hub, where we dive into the latest tech trends. Today, we're talking about something that could change the game in mobile technology, the Huawei Mate X3 Ultimate, a triple folding phone that's making waves in the foldable phone market. If you're into cutting-edge innovation and sleek design, stay tuned because this phone is an absolute jaw-dropper. Let's unbox it, explore its features, and see if it's worth all the buzz. Let's start with the unboxing. Huawei keeps it premium with this sleek packaging. Inside, we've got the Mate X3 Ultimate, folded up and ready to impress. A 100-watt fast charger for ultra-quick power-ups. A USB-C cable and a transparent protective case. And here it is, the star of the show, the Mate X3. Ultimate has a triple-fold design, allowing it to transform from a compact smartphone into a massive, tablet-sized display. At first glance, it's a masterpiece of engineering. The design is where Huawei really flexes its muscles. The triple-fold mechanism uses high-strength materials and precision engineering, ensuring durability while maintaining that sleek and futuristic vibe. When folded, you get a compact smartphone with a 6.4-inch AMOLED cover screen, but when you unfold it, the 7.8-inch inner display and an additional 3.4-inch edge screen come into play, giving you a tablet-like experience. The hinge is incredibly smooth and robust, built to handle thousands of folds without losing its integrity. Huawei has also managed to keep the phone lightweight and slim, making it surprisingly portable for a device this ambitious. Now let's talk about the displays. The Mate X3 Ultimate boasts OLED panels with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth animations and vibrant colors. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or reading, the visuals are stunning. This device also excels at multitasking. With split-screen functionality, you can run multiple apps simultaneously across the expansive display. It's perfect for productivity and entertainment alike. Huawei didn't skimp on the cameras either. The Mate X3 Ultimate features a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a periscope telephoto lens with 10 times zoom. The photos are crisp, vibrant, and detailed even in low light. And let's not forget about the selfie camera, cleverly integrated into the edge display for convenience during video calls and selfies. Under the hood, the Mate X3 Ultimate packs a 4,800 mAh battery, which is impressive considering its size and features. The 100-watt fast charging ensures you're back up and running in no time. As for the software, it runs on Harmony OS, Huawei's own ecosystem. It's smooth, intuitive, and optimized for foldable devices. However, some users might miss Google services, so keep that in mind. Now let's talk pricing. The Huawei Mate X3 Ultimate isn't cheap. It's aimed at tech enthusiasts and professionals who want the best of the best. But when you consider its innovative design, premium features, and versatility, it might just be worth the splurge. So, is this the future of smartphones? With its triple-fold design and cutting-edge capabilities, the Mate X3 Ultimate is definitely paving the way. If you're someone who loves to be at the forefront of tech innovation, this phone should be on your radar. That's it for today's video. What do you think about the Huawei Mate X3 Ultimate? Is this the foldable phone you've been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.